One. Hi guys, it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. I'm in a game with my cousin Yara. Say hi, Yara.
Hi, what's up, guys?
You should check out her channel. Yara's too fun.
Yeah, I'm gonna post some Roblox videos, but I'm still like figuring out what to do.
I got the key.
Alright, I'm gonna come in there with you. Oh, I have to get the key. Hold up. I didn't know how to get it.
Yeah.
What? Doesn't let me get it. What? What do you have to click on?
You have to just stand on it.
Oh, stand on it?
Yeah.
Oh, I got it now.
Okay.
You got?
Yeah,
You got
I'm already in.
Alright, I'm in.
Now.
So I'm bad, obviously, because I haven't done it in so long. You know what I'm saying?
It's fine. We'll just do a little.
Tell them what the prize is.
Okay, so if I win, Yara has to give me $200 in Bloxburg.
Hey, you made me die.
I died too. I didn't know you couldn't jump on the thing.
Oh, come on.
And then if Yara wins, I have to give her $200. Oh, I survived.
Wait for me.
I really have to wait for you. It's a race.
Oh, I forgot, man.
Okay.
What door do you go in? Okay, I found the door. Guys.
Okay.
I'm just kidding, I'm dumb. Hey, we almost died. But
Okay. Okay.
you don't want the coil, yell at her. Like, you know what I feel? Obbies are a waste of money to get stuff. You know why? Because you only play it once.
Exactly. How? Oh, that's a hard one. The toothbrushes are hard.
You're on the toothbrushes? I finished the toothbrush. Oh, these? Oh, easy, man.
Those are hot. No, they're not. It depends. You'll see. It's purple. Oh yeah, I remember this.
You did this?
Yeah, I've played this before. Okay, I have to get this.
Dang, that thing's scary. Okay, don't worry.
It's the red one.
Wait, what?
It's the red button. Oh my goodness, I don't know which door it is, but I'll just guess. Oh yeah, I got it right. Okay. I am winning so far. Oh my gosh! Yada, this one's kind of... What? It's not possible!
You know we're doing a video still.
I know.
Oh, what?
I know, right?
It's through what?
Woo! Woo! It's see-through. It's like through. I almost survived.
You have to go fast. The thing is dumb. How does this work?
Oh my gosh, I was about to do it!
This girl just walked.
What?
What?
Oh, the little cardboard boxes are the ones, like the wood. What? You know what? Ha! Oh my gosh! Okay.
I'm raging right now. I don't know what's going on.
What?
Yo, what is this? Wait, let me see what it says. Looks like a broken floor. Quick, get in it. Get in the vent.
There's a vent! We're so stupid.
Oh my god. We were stuck. This is why we should read the questions.
I know.
Ooh, what's this?
It's a box. What do we do with the box?
Really?
Oh.
Okay. Now what?
Shh, don't wake up. Find the box. Try to find the box to place it here, okay?
Okay.
And then we go in here.
No, we already went in there.
No, we don't.
Oh, dang. We're still on level 10?
Level 11. We should read the
Okay.
questions always.
Yeah, because you know why? Because you think it's like, we didn't know what we were doing. Because she said get in a vent. We had no idea. It was a
I know, we had no idea to go in the vent. One of these doors leads us to the right way. You died from the door, Yara.
No, I didn't.
No, you died from it. Because you got to find the right door.
You go in the vent?
No, yeah, you go in the vent and then you got to find the right door, the next one.
I found a vent. I'm in the vent. Okay, so it says... Oh! Fuck! I know which one it is.
Same. I did it.
Same.
I'm winning.
Bro, shut up. Which door? Okay.
It shows you the door.
This looks hard, man. It's not hard.
Ah! You going?
That mouth of yours, man.
Why is he the dentist? He has the most yellow teeth in the world.
I know, right? I see it. That's messed up.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh my god, this is hard.
Yada's never gonna die.
Oh, I did it!
I waited for you. You should be waiting for me for once.
But you said it was a race. So
Yeah, I waited for you still, so wait for me.
But I want to get $200 from you, man.
The 100? Yeah. You'll get
The
that.
200. You said 200, man.
Thanks for waiting. You're so nice. I'm nicer than you.
Okay, now I'm at poop. I can step in poop and I die.
Ugh.
I glitched. I stepped in the poop and I didn't die. Oh, I'm done. I finished the game. Yeah, I won. Haha.
That's a fast game.
I'm just kidding. There's still more stuff. No, I finished the game.
That's a fast game. That's not fair.
Should we play the social media tycoon?
No, you didn't finish the game.
Yes, I did.
Okay, guys.
So now she has to go. We have to go in Bloxburg, and you guys have to see.
Okay, guys. We'll see you in Bloxburg. Okay, guys. We are back, and now I have to give her money. $200.
Good. I need it. All right, guys. Hope you
enjoy. Why are you saying it? Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell to see more of my videos. Bye, kids.